Yo, what is going on? So here are some tips and tricks to how to play Pixelverse. Yeah, so first create a Pixelverse obviously account and explore the NFT market, access the NFT marketplace from your dashboard, browse and purchase unique digital assets. Now, MMORPG gameplay. Start playing the Pixelverse MMORPG game, also known as Playground, from your dashboard. Explore the world of Xana, engaging in real-time PvP battles, trading and earning Pix tokens. Craft legendary bots, craft and upgrade bots to enhance your gameplay and earnings. Log in daily to claim free Pixify tokens through the daily rewards system. Community events. Participate in the community events for a chance to earn large Pixify token bonuses. In-game challenges. Complete challenges and quests to accumulate Pixify tokens quickly. Earn Pixify tokens by inviting friends to play Pixelverse. To start staking, you're gonna connect your ERC20 wallet to Pixelverse dashboard. You're gonna select your wallet, choose the desired wallet and connect it to the dashboard. Stake and earn, stake your Pixify tokens and earn rewards from Pixelverse ecosystem. Pixel Tap Daily Combo, discover strategies to maximize earnings with Pixel Tap's Daily Combo feature. Bot upgrades, invest in upgrading bots strategically to enhance gameplay and earnings. Utilize the daily boost feature to increase earnings during peak gaming times. Additional tips: collaborate with players, join forces with other players to complete shared goals and earn rewards. Stay informed regularly, participate in the community and stay updated with the latest strategies and tips. Be cautious, participate in crypto related activities at your own risk and stay informed about the market fluctuations. And that is it.